Wait! Here are 3 things your dog secretly hates, and you still do them every single day. Third thing. Hugging them, it actually makes most dogs uncomfortable and stressed. Second, staring into their eyes. They can see it as a threat, not love. It makes them feel challenged, not safe. And number 1 is something you do every single day. First thing, not giving them enough exercise. This builds up energy and turns into frustration and bad behavior. Most owners don't even realize they're doing this. By the way, this doesn't apply to every dog.